these are the writing instructions for Monday, week 4. So this week we're continuing to write our persuasive text. So most of you have completed a draft. If you haven't completed a draft from last week, you'll need to finish that off. If you're struggling with your introduction and conclusion, it's a good idea to look back at the examples, and then you can see what an introduction or conclusion looks like. I also help you a wee bit with that on Monday's Zoom too at 9:30. So writing process today. So for Monday, you're going to continue with your writing process slides, revising with a partner, and editing. So those are the 2 parts that you need to do. So if you click on this link, or in your Google Classroom, it's material, but it's a wee way back. So it's probably easier to click on the link. And you also need to have your draft open. So if you look at your writing process slides, revising with a partner. So you need to choose a friend to share your writing with. You need to share your writing with them and ask them to put at least 2 comments on your writing of things you've done well and things you need to fix up. And if you don't have a friend's email, then you can email me and I can send it to you if you need. So that's your first step. So you need to wait till you get feedback from your partner. And then your next step for today is editing. So you need to use the success criteria. I'll just remind you of that. And check that you've met all of the success criteria. You need to check the example for the level you're aiming for. Does yours look like that one, or even better? So when we look at your success criteria, it needs to have all of these things. Does it have them? And if it doesn't, then you need to go back and edit and fix it up so it does. If you're a level 4 or 5 person, you need to think about these things as well. You need to go back to your examples and have a read and think, is mine like that? No, not quite. I might need to add this. And so you're going to spend quite a bit of time editing and fixing up what you're writing to make sure it fits all this criteria. Then you're going to use the rubric for your level, and then you check that you've done everything that is needed at that level. So here's the rubric down the bottom of the success criteria doc. So if you're level 4, you need to check that you have done all these things that it says here. Okay, you're not looking at the creative writing ones. Where can we see them? Here for like language and stuff, you're looking at the top one, the language appropriate to the writing and topic related or technical language. So you've got to check that you've met all them. Once you've checked all them and everything like that, and you've made changes to make sure yours is at the level it should be, then you'll finish your editing. So your checking with a partner probably won't take too long unless you're waiting for them to get back to you, but your editing might take a wee while. You can start editing while you're waiting for your partner to get back to you as well, just as long as you are finish your editing by the end of Monday. If not, then you'll have to finish it on Tuesday. The aim this week really is to get your persuasive text done, so it takes priority this week. So that's the plan for Monday. You're doing your revising with partner and editing.